So the air conditioner is off now, so maybe you can hear the sound is still up there. Now it stopped, see? But it sounds further away now, like it's in a different area. Now it's completely silent, no sound. Except the cicadas. Okay, I hear the beginning of that sound again. There it goes. Now that actually does sound a bit like the videos that I've watched on YouTube that have those sounds going on. I know this is weird, but I don't understand what I'm hearing. Here it comes again, I hear it. Oh, I did hear the trumpet sound. It just went brrr. I don't know if you got that. These are the sounds that I've seen on the YouTube videos. Did you hear that? I just don't know how sensitive the recording device is on this phone. So if I play this back and really crank it up with headphones or something, maybe you'll hear some of these sounds. I know they must be distant. There, I heard that trumpet sound again. Here it goes. I'm just going to leave this recording for a little bit because It's coming and going. It's not like directly over the apartment, though, like it sounded like before. I mean, I had headphones on and was listening to music pretty loud, and I heard the noise over that sound, which made me come out here. And then I couldn't figure out where it was coming from. It was right around here, but then it started doing that weird, it faded out and came back, faded out, came back. And it just kept doing that for like a half an hour. Now it's about 45 minutes later, and it's still going on, but it's further away. It's like to the, what direction would that be? Probably to the south of us here. And we're in Temple Terrace. Well, it's Tampa, but very close to Temple Terrace, Florida, on the Hillsborough River. It's funny, the animals go crazy, and then the sound happens. And then it just cuts off. Well, I'll